Zontes 703 throttle body valve disassembly video tutorial. Preparation tools. Cross screwdriver T25 Torx wrench number 4 and number 5 hex wrenches. Remove the fixed ECU controller according to the video method. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the bolts securing the air filter upper cover. And remove the air filter upper cover. Use a number 5 hex wrench to remove the 6 bolts securing the air filter outlet pipe. And remove the air filter outlet pipe. Use a T25 Torx wrench to remove the 2 bolts securing the air filter lower housing. Remove the 2 air supply valve pipes in sequence according to the video method. Disconnect the wiring harness connector of the air filter lower housing. Remove the cable tie and the wiring connector of the air filter lower housing, and remove the air filter lower housing. Use a number 4 hex wrench to loosen the clamp securing the throttle body valve. Disconnect the wiring connectors on the throttle body as shown in the video. Loosen the tie and pull out the air supply valve pipe. Remove the 3 wiring connectors above according to the video method to disassemble the throttle body. Thanks for watching. My channel has a separate video on refitting the throttle body in English and Chinese.
I'm coming for the throne.
Install the throttle connector according to the video method. Install the throttle according to the video method. Tighten the bolt securing the throttle. Reconnect the throttle air supplement valve pipe according to the video method. Install the air filter. Connect the wiring harness connector according to the video method. Connect the air supplement valve pipe according to the video method. Note, when installing the lower air filter housing, the fuel tank lock wire must be placed above the frame in advance. Install the other air supplement valve pipe. Install the air filter outlet pipe using a number 5 hex wrench to install 6 fixing bolts. Use a T25 Torx wrench to install 2 bolts fixing the lower air filter housing. Install the air filter upper cover using a Phillips screwdriver to install 10 screws fixing the air filter upper cover. Connect the air filter intake sensor connector. Install the ECU controller back onto the air filter upper housing according to the video method. Organize the wiring harness according to the video method, then secure it with cable ties. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.